Hello everybody, this is going to be our very first YouTube video that
we're
going to
video.
make. Yes, the very first video that we're going to do is going to be on the MacBook Pro M1 chip, 14-inch, 1 terabyte. This is what we're basically going to be using to make our YouTube channel. And we're going to do an unboxing for you guys. And I know there's probably a bunch of them out already, but there's not going to be any unboxing like this. I guarantee it.
Our unboxing's pro.
Yeah, we're going to be pro unboxers.
Like the computer.
Exactly. Our channel is going to be called Arc Vision. And as you keep watching, you'll know why we're called Arc Vision. Because we be arcing. Alright, so now it's time to get in this box. So you know how Apple, with their nice reveals.
They're very secured. Satisfying feel.
Very satisfying peel. Alright.
That is the nicest packaging ever.
I feel the power. Alright, so here you have the 14-inch MacBook Pro Max. And we have the Mag Gen 3, the MagSafe Charger Gen 3. And the 96-watt power brick.
Satisfying. That's not satisfying. Look at that.
Look how clean it is.
Whoa.
Whoa. The peel.
Ready?
Yep. Ooh.
Satisfying.
Alright.
Look how nice the screen is.
And there you guys have it. Our very first Arc unboxing.
Yeah.
Arc Vision, baby.
Yeah!